Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. We also have here at this training the brand new 2019 Sony ES. These are the professional Sony amplifier preamp units, and we're looking today at the STR-ZA1100ES. You can see this supports 2 zones of video, so you can have like your theater room and your game room going at the same time, or in certain situations you'll see we'll do the living room as well as the patio. Network capabilities. It's a great receiver starting at $1,000 MSRP, 7-channel system. So 5.1 in the living room, zone 2, or you could do the theater room, 5.1, and the game room. Or you can just run a 7-channel system if you prefer. If you guys would like to purchase this product, please reach out to us. Make sure to subscribe below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.